Welcome to week 3 of the Kitty Box Challenge! Moggy Matchmaker Maria is out on a rescue mission, so you've got me, Miss Mary Kitty Miss, and my friend Holly. Oh, hello, dearies! We're asking you to buy just one item per week and top up all the items into a box and drop off your kitty box just before Christmas. Oh, aye! We'll have a festive drink, a wee slice of cake, and all of the rescue cats waiting to say thanks. Week 1, just £1.20 from Asda. Week 2, a wee catnip toy. Oh, and just where have you been this week, Miss Kitty Miss, with the kitty cam? A wee bag of wood litter, just $1.29 at B&M. I don't know about you, Holly, but I prefer these wood pellets. The clay and crystals just get stuck in our paws. Aye, I can. Well, see you all out in a bit next time, dearies. Yes, thanks for doing the Kitty Box Challenge.